Today, our next topic is linear equations. So, in maths, many times we have to use some unknown quantity and we represent these unknown quantities by some letters, say A, B, C, or X, Y, Z, or any other letter. So these letters then are called as variable representation of that unknown quantity, or we also call them variables. So in linear equations or in such questions we have to find the variables by use of some equation. Let us see it through some example. A man says, I'm thinking of a number. When I divide it by 3 and then add 5, my answer is twice the number thought of, and we have to find the number. So, as the man says, I am thinking of a number. So, there is no particular number that he is thinking of. So, let us assume a number, let us say that number is x. So, let the number be x. Now, how do we solve the question? We work according to the indicators given in the question. So we are given that when I divide it by 3, that is the number divided by 3, and then add 5. So add 5. My answer is twice the number thought of. So the answer comes out to be twice the number thought of. That will be equal to twice, that is 2 times of x. So this is how we form our equation. The man said that he has thought of a number. We assume that the number is x, and he said that if the number is divided by 3 and 5 is added to that, then it is equal to twice the number itself. So now if we have to find this number 2x, how do we find it out? We can do it like 5 remains to this side and x by 3 goes to the other side, which will form this, and we can solve it further by taking 3 as LCM. 6x minus x upon 3 is equals to 5. So this will be equal to 5 multiplied by 3. 3 comes to this side, and 6x minus x would be 5x. So 5 gets cancelled as it is on both the sides. So x will be equal to 3. This is how we get the answer, or how we solve a linear equation. This was a linear equation, see here. When there is an equality, there is an equation of equality, then that is called an equation. So how did we solve it? We used the indicators given in the questions to form this equation, and we came to the answer. We can also verify if our answer is right or not. How do we do that? We came to the number 3. So we can put this x is equals to 3 in this equation we formed, and if answer is same on both sides of the equalities, that means we have find out the right answer. So if we put 3 over here, so that will be equal to 3 by 3 plus 5 equals to 2 multiplied by 3. So 3 by 3 is equals to 1. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6, and 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So both sides of the equality is same, that is both sides we have got 6. So the answer we have found out is true. So this is how we verify our answer. Now let us understand it further. In this case, we had the equation x by 3 plus 5 is equals to 2x. So this is a mathematical statement. We have statements in English like that. We have statements in maths as well. So this is the type of statements we have in maths. So what is the main sign over here? We have the equality sign over here. So this is a statement, mathematical statement of equality. How do we know if it is a linear equation or it is a normal equation? So any mathematical statement containing the equality sign will be an equation. So it is an equation as it has the equals to sign or the equality in it. Now how do we know if it is a linear equation or not? So linear equation basically means when the power of your variable is single or unity. So we see here that this is a statement or equation in single variable, that is x. So if this x is a single quantity over here, it is not x square or x upon x cube or anything like that, then this is called a linear equation. Basically, linear equation means that the power of your variable, there might be more variables, but their power must be unity, that is equals to 1. If we have an equation in more than one variable, let us say we have 4x plus 5y plus 6z is equals to let us say 15. So this is a linear equation in three variables, as we have x, y and z, three variables, but all of them are with power 1. That means this is a linear equation. What do you think would make it not a linear equation? So if we square the x, so is it now also a linear equation? No. This is not a linear equation now. Why? Because the power of one of the variables is not unity. We don't care about the number of variables until and unless their power is unity. So linear equation basically means the power of variables should be equal to 1. So until and unless the power of all your variables in the equation is equal to 1, your equation is linear. In most of the aptitude tests, there are a lot of questions asked on the basis of linear equation. If not directly, then we have to use linear equations in many other questions like time, speed, distance or any other. We form the equation and then we solve it to get the answer. So this is very important topic.